day I was showering and I felt someone tapping my head. Since then, it has become his thing, and I have never taken a shower alone. I adopted Cezanne and his siblings when they were tiny kittens, and I quickly noticed that he loved drinking water from the sink. Every time he wanted water, we had to keep turning on the faucet. So we decided to install an automated sink so he could drink water whenever he wants.
Isso. Aí, ó. Agora bebe.
And we thought our problem got solved.
Bebe água. No chuveiro.
So we went back to having to turn on the faucet each time he wanted to drink water. Acho tão bonitinho que ele lava a mãozinha antes de beber.
Peraí. Não é.
Until one day,
Você já tá aí, né? O que você quer? Você quer tomar banho? Beber água aí?
now he goes to drinking spot. He's in the shower. He meows when I come home from work and demands to go to the shower.
Hã? O que você quer? Quer água? Você vai querer água, tomar banho? Oh, meu Deus. Então vamos tomar banho. Mamãe. O que você quer? Água do chuveiro?
Sometimes he needs the help of my fist. Other times he uses my head. And sometimes he's able to drink on his own. One thing is for sure though, I'll never shower on my own again.